Ford is expanding the customization options for its Bronco Sport Big Bend model with the introduction of the Black Appearance package for the 2024 lineup. The new package is designed to add a sophisticated modern touch to the rugged aesthetic of the Bronco Sport. It offers a series of sleek black design elements that enhance the Bronco Sport Big Bend's visual appeal, creating a harmonious balance between ruggedness and contemporary aesthetics. The Black Appearance package boasts a number of exterior enhancements that contribute to its sleek aesthetic. It features 17-inch matte black painted wheels that create a stark contrast with the Bronco's robust body. A shadow black roof adds to the stealthy monochrome look, and matte black hood graphics accentuate the vehicle's dynamic silhouette. The exterior design is rounded out with a carbon black grille and two-tone Bronco lettering, making for a modern, unified, and stylish look. Inside the Bronco Sport Big Bend, the Black Appearance package continues the dark and stylish theme. It offers sport contour seats that not only provide superior comfort, but also contribute to the vehicle's upscale interior ambience. Additionally, the airbag cover has been modified to feature a black bucking Bronco badge, reinforcing the model's heritage in a subtle yet impactful way. The Black Appearance package also includes black accent trim badges and a smoked chrome Ford oval, enhancing the exterior look and tying together all the design elements. This package creates a cohesive aesthetic that is both visually appealing and reflective of the adventurous spirit that is intrinsic to the Ford Bronco lineup. The Black Appearance package is exclusive to the Big Bend models, offering a unique customization option for these vehicles. The introduction of the Black Appearance package is Ford's response to its customers' request for stylish black finishes, similar to those available on the F-150, Maverick, and Mustang models. According to Jason Hyde, Bronco Sport Marketing Manager, Ford is delivering this package to meet the customer's expectations and provide an attractive option that adds a stylish, dark look to the popular Bronco Sport Big Bend. In doing so, Ford continues to enhance the Bronco's appeal by offering options that allow customers to personalize their vehicles to suit their individual tastes and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.